Hello everyone, this is DHG from Plomor. For everyone who loves long-distance overland trips, interior space management can entirely make or break your journey. Let's be honest, forcing a multi-recovery strap, soaked trail glass, or quick access emergency tools straight into your clean cabin, that's far from ideal. The Land Cruiser 254 rolls off the line with an incredibly rugged stance. To expand its external storage without ruining its factory lines, our team engineered this customer-side gearbox. Today, let's break down the engineering logic and the real-world utility behind it. The shell is crafted from heavy-duty matte black ABS. It's highly scratch-resistant. But more importantly, the color and texture match the LC250's factory trim perfectly. We call this our OE Plus design philosophy. It doesn't feel like an aftermarket afterthought, it feels like it belonged there from day one. The LC250 was born for the trail, to anchor that spirit of exploration, with integrated subtle topographic contour lines into the exterior panel. This clean, minimalist profile keeps it from looking bulky or overbuilt. It's a functional tool, but also an extension of your overland lifestyle. Along the trail, reliability is everything. This box comes with a locking mechanism, giving you peace of mind when your rig is left untended at camp. Once unlocked, just give it a push. The internal mechanism automatically locks the door into place at its peak. When it comes to mounting, we refuse to make irreversible modifications to your vehicle. It's a 100% no-drilling setup. The top hooks directly into the factory roof rails, while the bottom utilizes a high-strength magnetic matrix to secure itself firmly to the steel body panels. This hook and magnet system guarantees absolute stability during highway speeds and rough washboard roads with zero body rattle. Due to its mounting footprint, please note that this gearbox is not compatible with our roof rack or DP grab handles. While compact, the internal volume is plenty to house recovery straps, water bottles, and essential hand tools. Keeping these high-frequency items outside the rig where they are instantly accessible, that shows efficiency. Great design solves the problem seamlessly without screaming for attention. The Plomor side gearbox is built to bring that exact composure to your next expedition. If you are building out your LC250, what's the #1 piece of gear going into this box? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you like our video or the upgrade, please hit that like button and subscribe. New customers get 10% off their first order. Thank you for watching. I'm DHG. See you on the next trail. Bye bye.